The role of technology. Technology plays a crucial role in driving sustainability within the fashion supply chain. Here are some key areas of impact. Digital design and production tools, 3D printing and computer-aided design, CAD, software can optimize fabric usage and minimize waste during the design and production stages. Supply chain management platforms, blockchain technology can enhance transparency and traceability, allowing consumers to track the origin and production journey of their garments. Sustainable material innovation, advancements in material science are leading to the development of new, eco-friendly textiles with lower environmental footprints. If this clip got your gears turning, then you're going to love the full video on our channel, 10 minutes for supply chain, links in the description below. Don't miss it. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to share it with your team. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for weekly breakdowns of the global supply chain. Join membership button, become a member for exclusive content, early access, and global logistics insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay ahead, and always supply smart.